the soul of your home. The living room is the heart of any home, a space where stories are shared, laughter echoes, and memories are created. It's the room that sets the tone for your home and makes the first impression on guests. So, it's only natural that decorating your living room is a priority. But how do you make it truly stand out? The answer lies in wooden art. Wooden art is timeless, versatile, and adds a natural warmth that's hard to achieve with other materials. From intricate wall designs to unique furniture pieces, wood can transform a living room from ordinary to extraordinary. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of amazing wooden art decoration ideas for your living room. Whether your style leans towards rustic charm, modern minimalism, or artistic flair, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. 1. Wooden wall art, a canvas of natural beauty. Wooden wall art is an essential element of living room decor, offering endless possibilities for creativity and personalization. Unlike traditional framed paintings or prints, wooden wall art adds texture and dimension to your space, creating a visually engaging focal point. For example, consider a wooden mandala, a detailed carving that showcases stunning symmetry and intricate patterns. These pieces not only captivate the eye, but also bring a sense of calm and balance to your living room. Alternatively, you can opt for a layered wooden wall sculpture. Imagine geometric shapes crafted from different shades of wood, overlapping to form a 3D masterpiece. This kind of artwork pairs beautifully with modern or industrial-style interiors. If you're someone who loves a personal touch, why not try customized wooden wall art? You can have your family name, a meaningful quote, or even a silhouette of a cityscape laser-etched onto wood. The natural grains of the wood combined with the design create a piece that's not just decorative, but also deeply meaningful. The key is to choose a piece that reflects your personality and complements the overall theme of your living room. 2. Wooden shelving units, functional art. Shelves are more than just storage spaces. They can be a form of art in their own right. Wooden shelving units, when designed creatively, can elevate your living room decor while keeping it practical. Floating wooden shelves, for instance, are a popular choice for modern living rooms. These shelves, mounted without visible brackets, give the illusion of floating on the wall. They're perfect for displaying small potted plants, books, or decorative items. To make them stand out, consider using live edge wood. The natural uneven edges add a touch of rustic charm and highlight the unique beauty of the wood. Another idea is to create a wooden shelving display in the form of a tree. Picture a large wooden branch-like structure on your wall, with smaller branches acting as shelves. This not only serves as a storage solution, but also as a striking piece of art that brings a bit of nature indoors. You can also mix and match different wood tones, such as light oak and dark walnut, to create a visually dynamic arrangement. Wooden shelves are a wonderful way to combine functionality with artistic expression in your living room. 3. Wooden furniture as art. Furniture is a key element of any living room, but it doesn't have to be purely functional. With a little creativity, wooden furniture can double as art, making your living room both stylish and unique. Take coffee tables, for example. A live-edge coffee table, where the natural edge of the wood is preserved, becomes the centerpiece of the room. Paired with a resin inlay that mimics flowing water or molten lava, these tables are a stunning blend of nature and craftsmanship. Or consider a wooden sofa frame with intricate carvings. This transforms a simple piece of furniture into a work of art. Wooden armchairs are another great option. Choose chairs with sculptural frames, such as curved arms or lattice-like backrests, to make them stand out. And don't forget about wooden benches. A bench with a carved seat or an abstract wooden base can serve as both seating and a statement piece. By selecting furniture that's both functional and artistic, you can enhance your living room decor without sacrificing practicality. 4. Wooden lighting fixtures, illuminating art. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of your living room, and wooden lighting fixtures offer a warm and inviting glow while doubling as artistic decor. One idea is a pendant light made from thin wooden slats, arranged in a geometric pattern. When the light is turned on, it casts beautiful shadows on the walls, adding a layer of depth and texture to your living room. You can also consider table lamps with wooden bases. A base carved into an artistic shape, such as a tree trunk or a spiral, makes the lamp a decorative piece even when it's not in use. For those who love a dramatic effect, a chandelier made from reclaimed wood can be a showstopper. Imagine a piece where the wood has been shaped into flowing curves or arranged into a rustic yet elegant design. These fixtures not only provide light but also serve as conversation starters. Wooden lighting fixtures are a perfect blend of form and function, bringing a touch of artistry to your living room. 5. Wooden room dividers, creating zones with style, revised and expanded. One of the most underrated and overlooked elements of living room decor is the room divider. While often seen as purely functional, a wooden room divider can be transformed into a breathtaking artistic piece that enhances your space while adding practical value. Imagine entering a living room where a beautifully handcrafted wooden partition subtly separates the lounge area from a cozy reading nook. Not only does it create privacy and define spaces within an open floor plan, but it also serves as an intricate design element that can anchor your entire decor theme. Consider the variety of artistic styles you can incorporate into your divider. A carved wooden divider with intricate floral patterns brings a sense of timeless elegance, perfect for traditional or vintage-inspired living rooms. On the other hand, for a minimalist or contemporary design, a simple lattice or slatted wooden divider offers clean lines that still manage to capture attention. For a truly standout piece, you could choose a multifunctional wooden divider with built-in shelving. Picture small niches within the divider where books, plants, or decorative artifacts can be displayed. This type of design not only enhances the room visually, but also adds an interactive and functional element. Another unique idea is incorporating natural elements, like greenery, into your divider. Imagine a divider where sections of carved wood are combined with built-in planters, allowing vines or small indoor plants to cascade beautifully. The combination of wood and living plants creates a refreshing, organic atmosphere that blurs the line between interior and nature. It's the kind of design that doesn't just enhance the room, but transforms the entire experience of being in that space. Wooden room dividers are much more than separators. They are conversation pieces, artful installations, and practical tools. They can completely redefine the way a space is used while maintaining harmony with the overall aesthetic. They remind us that even functional elements can embody craftsmanship and artistic expression. Conclusion: bringing nature and art into your home, revised and deeper. When we think about home decor, we often focus on colors, textures, and themes. But wooden art decorations go beyond just visual appeal. They have the power to evoke emotions, create memories, and establish a connection with the natural world. Each wooden piece tells a story. The texture of the grain, the knots, and the natural imperfections are like fingerprints, unique to the material itself. These features not only make wooden art timeless, but also give it a soul. In the living room, the heart of your home, wooden art brings warmth, character, and depth. It's not just about having beautiful decor. It's about creating a space where you can unwind, connect with loved ones, and truly feel at peace. The organic beauty of wood adds a grounding element that can't be replicated by synthetic materials. It's as if each piece whispers a reminder of the forests it came from, the artisans who shaped it, and the legacy it carries forward into your home. Imagine a home where every corner of the living room reflects careful thought, creativity, and craftsmanship. From the intricate carvings on a wall panel to the mesmerizing curves of a live-edge coffee table, every piece becomes a part of your story. When you incorporate wooden art into your living room, you're not just decorating, you're curating an experience, one that merges the warmth of tradition with the possibilities of modern design. Wood is a material that transcends trends. It grows with your home, evolving as your space does, and never losing its charm. By choosing wooden art for your living room, you're investing in something that's not only visually stunning, but also meaningful and enduring. It's an invitation to slow down, to appreciate craftsmanship, and to connect with nature in a way that few other materials can offer. So, take a step back and think about the story you want your living room to tell. Let wooden art be the medium through which you express your style, your values, and your love for the timeless beauty of nature. With every piece you choose, you're not just decorating. You're making your house a home, one wooden masterpiece at a time.